A new wave of extremely serious claim is emerging from the region as tension between Iran and the United States continue to escalate across land, air, and now the open sea. Well, according to the statements attributed to the Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, a major naval operation was carried out targeting a US aircraft carrier strike group operating in the northern Indian Ocean. The carrier reportedly mentioned in these claims is the USS Abraham Lincoln. Missiles, drones, a coordinated strike. That's what Iranian sources are now claiming. They say that multiple projectiles were launched towards the carrier group, and that too in a very synchronized attack involving both missiles and unmanned aerial system. The message is clear. If accurate, this would represent a significant escalation at sea, moving the whole conflict into one of the most sensitive domains of modern warfare, basically naval power projection. But here's the critical point. These claims have not been verified by the United States. No confirmation has been provided by the US military regarding any damage, any impact, or any successful strike on the carrier group. Still, the symbolism of the claim, that's powerful. Aircraft carriers are not just warships, ladies and gentlemen, they are floating military bases. They carry aircraft, they carry command system, they carry thousands of personnel. So any reported attack on such a vessel, it immediately draws global attention even before the facts are confirmed. Well, the reported strike area is said to be in northern Indian Ocean, basically a region that is already seeing increased military presence and strategic monitoring due to the rising regional tension. Well, if such an operation occurred or even attempted, it signals a widening of the whole conflict far beyond the land border and into key international waters. And at the very same time, the broader backdrop that remains tense. The United States has maintained a strong naval presence in the region, while Iran continues to emphasize its capability just to respond to the military pressure with asymmetric warfare tools like drones and missiles. And wait, that's where the whole situation becomes more and more dangerous because naval confrontations are not isolated events. They can quickly escalate, involving allied forces and spread across shipping lanes that are very important for global trade and energy movement. Well, even the claim alone, whether verified or not, it adds pressure to an already unstable environment. Markets watch it, governments analyze it, militaries prepare for it. So, what we know so far are the claims of a strike. We know that the target is said to be the US aircraft carrier group, and we know that official confirmation is still missing here. But in moments like these, perception moves faster than verification, right? And this is what is making the whole situation so sensitive. Now, the key question rises sharply. Was this a real attempt strike or maybe a symbolic message? Will naval forces respond with increased readiness? And is this a sign that the conflict is now fully expanding into the open water? Well, for now, the world is left waiting between claims and confirmation. But one thing is already clear here. The sea is no longer silent in this conflict.